Three, two, one. Not live from Westeros, episode 2. Hello, everyone. Welcome again. This Monday, sweet Monday afternoon for people in India and people across the globe, in the US, in the West. Let's talk to Amit Singh as to how things are going in the land of the unknown, the land that has a lot of money. Amit, tell us how things are going there. What time is it by now? Like,
It's it's 5 a.m. over here, but not live from Westeros is always number one priority. So here I am, early morning, with my Indian friends who are there at their homes at the afternoon.
all right. Arunima, how are things going? How was this Monday? A little late to the party?
Yes, I was a little late to the party. I woke up late, so there's to that. But all good. I'm all set. Let's get started.
Awesome. There are n number of things to talk about from episode 2, but सबसे पहले what we're going to talk about is the fact that जो weeks ahead वाला जो था promo. One second. Yeah, the weeks ahead वाला जो promo था, that was kind of misleading in the sense कि वो बिल्कुल actually weeks ahead की बात हो रही थी. It was not an episode name because the name of the episode was beautiful. I think Rhaenyra the Cruel.
Rhaenyra, yeah,
Rhaenyra the Cruel
correct.
Yes.
was the name of the
Yes.
episode. This is a beautiful name
Yes.
because that I felt that was the whole, conspiracy is afoot. It has started. अब game इस level पे चलेगा कि भाई ये हुआ है. So, what are your initial thoughts? And then we'll talk about characters, about motivations, about how things are going in Westeros. But initial thoughts. How was the episode?
Arunima,
Let's start
can get
with Amit.
started.
No, you start.
अरे,
You start.
ठीक
Last
है,
time I did.
cool.
You start.
As you say. So I think ये episode started out slow, at least for me. Obviously it was setting up a plot, but for me personally, I felt it started out slow and then it picked up a bit. So that's my initial thought. I thought there would be a bit more stuff happening in the first half, which did not happen. So yeah.
He has just seen the first half और बाकी he has heard from us. So वो counseling के साथ Amit is explaining. Then we move on to our in-house expert, straight from the Iron Throne. Arunima, what do you think?
It had everything what we were actually discussing about in the last week. Sort of, we predicted that this is how it is going to happen. This is how it will move around. I was time again thinking only about Helena in this throughout the episode because it was all about it started with that trauma, right? What she was going through, and I think this episode was just what I was expecting to happen and what we had discussed also very initially. And I think it was top notch. It was perfect. It's just a great build up. I mean, there are so many things happened in that one episode. I loved it personally.
Okay.
Yeah, great thoughts. I think that is good for the makers to hear. I was a little bit disappointed only because of my expectations. Because from the weeks ahead promo, I was expecting कि अब मार शुरू होने वाली है and the troops are going to go, Aemond is going to be on a dragon और चीजें बहुत fast होंगी. Because when I was watching the whole episode, I was seeing the time. यार अभी तो बस 20 मिनट बचा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. 10 मिनट बचा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. 5 मिनट बचा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
So मेरे दिमाग में वो चल रहा था. I did not understand that by weeks ahead they meant कि अभी आगे और क्या होने वाला है. It's like a prelude to अभी देखो बहुत कुछ बाकी है. So now we are learning with YouTube and its promos. But yeah, from an episode standpoint, I think they're just, for me it was a filler episode. This is just building up. They had a major case last episode, एक major thing हुआ. This episode, they're just building up now. They're just building up.
Yeah.
And
Oh yeah, true.
um, cool. Firstly, let's talk about. I have the episode open and I'm just going through that. First thing that I want to talk about is that not, I will not say that parade, but that when they
Ceremony.
the ceremony that happened across King's Landing. वो body को ले जाके and then a mother and a grandmother and you name it, both are sitting there and they are watching that happen, and the beautiful shots of Helena. She's looking up,
Yes.
oh, confetti and everything. About that scene, right? How did you find it? Again, let's start with Arunima first.
I think it was great for me because it really captures what Helena was feeling, because Helena was never meant for any of this, whatever the jazz that they were up to, right? She never wanted this. Like, even before she wanted to step out, there was this whole thing going on where her mother is telling her, sometimes you just have to pretend we are the representatives of the throne. You have to be there. Like, you have no other option. All she just wanted was to just sit in silence and grieve. And if you remember the scene that she was looking all over, right? Everyone was falling at her like, Queen Helena, we are sorry for you, and all of it, right? And then there is her child, where she's thinking that I was the one who had pointed out at that point of time. There's a whole guilt thing which is working in her, and now you make her parade around the entire King's Landing just to gain support, which was again Otto Hightower's plan to do that entire ceremony, right? She gets an anxiety attack. If you have seen that, like, she's not able to comprehend a lot of things. She's an emotional wreck at this point of time, and God, she's such a beautiful, delicate character. And there was a time when there's a small council happening at Dragonstone, right, where Rhaenyra is saying that, why would I do that to such an innocent soul like Helena, right? And there was this whole discussion going on. It was very, very emotional, to be very honest. I mean, that episode, Helena, Rhaenyra representing her emotions, it's so beautifully done. Her character as a whole, it was just perfect, and I think that was really great.
Beautiful. Amit, what do you think?
Honestly, I feel Helena के लिए तो एकदम बुरा लग रहा है, because the whole ceremony that happened was for a propaganda. सबको दिखाना था कि Rhaenyra is bad, and उसके लिए बेचारी Helena had to suffer through the entire social anxiety which she wanted, like Arunima pointed out rightly, कि she wanted to stay alone and grieve, but उसको allow नहीं किया वो. Plus ऊपर से Alicent also अपना propaganda उस पे लगा रही है कि whatever you saw is not something. She's trying to basically cover up her tracks, but Helena बोली कि मुझे से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मुझे अपने बेटे से फर्क पड़ता है. And I just saw Dune 2 recently. So when both Helena and Alicent came out wearing those veils, they just reminded me of the Bene Gesserits.
The Bene Gesserit sisters, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I have a video of Amit, in which he's standing near a beach, and I think it deserves a reel now after he has seen Dune 2 with that background. I think उसकी अब जरूरत हो चुकी है. After lovely, amazing. I don't know. So. I think these are the points that I was very keen on, which Amit really brought out, right? Again, I love the shots, that is beautiful. But human beings as a species sometimes they just feel no opportunity to disappoint us. Alicent के दिमाग में चल रहा है कि भैया ये जो देखी है ये बस बता ना दे कहीं. ये जो शानदार शो देखी है, अपने उसके दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा था और उसको जो देख ली किसी को बता ना दे.
She's worried about that. Yeah.
दादाजी को इमेज का चिंता है. Everything is image is everything.
Hmm.
कि भैया there is no grief, there is no this thing. उसका छोड़ी तो दिख ही नहीं, आंसू, एक बूंद आंसू नहीं दिखा ऑटो का। उधर
Correct.
एक बाप रोए जा रहा है, बिल्कुल तोड़ दिया वो उधर, जो उसका रहता था पूरा किंग्स लैंडिंग का पूरा तोड़ ताड़ दिया पूरा गुस्सा में, वो रोए जा रहा है। और बिल्कुल
Hmm.
बहुत शानदार एक्टिंग मेरे को लगा उसका, बहुत ही शानदार, मेरे को एकदम परफेक्ट एक्टिंग लगा कि हाँ
Yes.
ऐसा ही होना चाहिए।
Actually.
एंड एट द
Yep.
सेम टाइम जो अंदर का ग्रुप है वो उस समय सोच रहा है कि भाई अंदर का भी कोई कुछ हो सकता है, राइट? ह्यूमन कोई भी एक आदमी भी नहीं था कि आके उसको किंग को कंसोल करे कि भाई बैठो, भाई कुछ नहीं। माँ भी आई, देखी रो रहा है, बाद में वो निकल ली, भाई चलो हम अपना रूम जाते हैं, हम पानी में
Correct.
डुबकी लगाएंगे, बट आई विल नॉट गो एंड सिट एंड टेल भाई टेक केयर ऑफ योर वाइफ, टेक केयर। जो
हाँ.
चले गए वो चले गए, अपना जो जिंदा है उसको तो देखो क्या है, उसकी वाइफ तड़प रही है, कोई उसका ध्यान नहीं है। थ्रोन पे कौन बैठेगा, इमेज का क्या होगा, कौन मारेगा बोलते क्या फर्क पड़ता है, जो भी मारा अपने को ब्लेम दे देना है रेनेरा को, यही राइट टाइम है। दिस इज प्योर ब्लडेड पॉलिटिक्स, प्योर
Yeah.
पॉलिटिक्स,
Hmm.
राइट? दिस इज हाउ पॉलिटिक्स इज डन। किंग गया भाड़ में, किंग बाप गया भाड़ में, छोड़ो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। पुट द ब्लेम, ज्यादा ट्रूप्स आएंगे, एंड दैट इज व्हाट मेड दैट सीन वेरी स्टैंड आउट फॉर मी। समटाइम्स
True.
how to serve not a stupid purpose, उनके लिए तो वही बहुत बड़ा पर्पस है। एक पर्पस को सर्व करने के कितने लोगों को क्या करना पड़ता है, we have to pretend, we have to make a show out of things, which they did beautifully, they did
Yeah.
great.
But ये भी सोचना पड़ेगा कि if the tables are different, if Aegon's daughter was killed rather than his son, would his reaction be the same? Because I don't think so.
Lovely.
Because
Lovely.
his
Now-
only thing was
He wouldn't have.
his only thing
Yeah.
was I want the heir of my throne. That's it.
Yeah. Even when he was crying and he was saying that he was the heir of the throne, he was the heir of the throne,
Yeah.
and I think that was, yeah, clearly he was his favorite child, right? Also
Yeah.
being that he's a son, and we know throughout all the stories of Game of Thrones and whatever we had watched before as well, like how son is an important, and I think that has always been categorical in histories, right? Whosoever is on the throne, there has to be a male child, and you know that entire dominance of being a male child which comes into the picture. But I think you have rightly put it, Sudeep, is that one more thing which sort of struck me, that if you remember when the king was crying and Alicent had just walked in, she saw him and she walked away. I also felt that because she personally, I feel is just she doesn't know how to console him, is what I felt, because she personally had been through her own set of tragedies where she was never given a consolation ki beta, you will be fine,
ठीक
you
हो
need to
जाएगा.
do this, you need to do ठीक हो जाएगा, you need to calm down, you will be fine. उसको कभी किसी ने बताया नहीं था. Like she sort of learned it while she was in this whole game
Yeah.
altogether, right? Because of her father. I mean, let's face it, she had been through a lot, right? And I think that was a very weird moment between a son and a mother, right? That she's not able to console her own son at that point of time, right? And I think there was a lot of
Go ahead.
there were a lot of relationship, there's a lot of but you know what, in this episode I really liked ki while Otto is trying his best to put things together into one place, Alicent has her own agenda कि भाई मैं ये कांड कर रही हूँ तो किसी को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए.
Her dark
While
secrets.
also this, yeah, like, but also at the same time she's like, there is this impending thing coming up along our way, I need to get more serious, whatever jazz that she's herself going through, right? And then there are her sons. One of them is just stupid. Obviously the king is just all over the place, kuch bhi kar raha hai, kuch bhi, matlab it was a mess. And you remember, Sudeep, you told us in the last episode that if Alicent and Otto is not there, they are all over the place, both the brothers
राजा फैल
together.
जाएगा.
And exactly that's what has happened in this episode, right? So I think there was a lot of relationship, that gaps that all of them personally have gone through. It came out really well in this episode, to be very honest.
Very good point, Anima. But I just feel if a character, if a character in moments of weakness does what he's not taught, then that character uplifts. अगर आज एलिसेंट
हाँ
उसको कंसोल कर लेती और चीजों को संभालना चालू
Hmm.
करती, राइट, कि तुम ठीक हो जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं, वो हल्का सा करती ना, यू वुड स्टार्ट सिंपथाइजिंग विथ हर मोर एंड शी वुड स्टार्ट प्लेइंग, कौन जानता उसको हैंड बना देता, क्योंकि माँ तुम
Hmm.
ही हैंड बनो, तुमको ज्यादा समझ है, ये लोग सब मेरे अगेंस्ट है, क्या सबके दिमाग में चल रहा है नहीं पता, तुम ही हैंड बनो.
Point.
दीज आर क्लासिक, एक स्टोरी में क्लासिक मोमेंट होता है. अरे जो दुनिया सिखा रहा है वो तो तुम सीख ही रहे हो, जो दुनिया तुम्हारे साथ बुरा कर तुम सीख ही रहे हो, जो चीज तुमको नहीं कोई सिखाया अगर तुम वो चीज करके दिखा दो, देन यू राइज वन नॉच
Hmm.
ऊपर. क्योंकि हमको लग रहा है इसके दिमाग में भी है कि रनेरा नहीं करवाई, एलिसन के दिमाग में है कि रनेरा नहीं करवाई है, ये कुछ
Correct.
हुआ है इधर उधर से हुआ है, क्योंकि उसको ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए, वो जानती है कि वो ऐसी नहीं है, वो अदीब डाउन वो
Exactly.
जानती है.
Point.
और प्रॉब्लम इसके लिए ये है ना कि एक तो अपना इधर वो फैंटेसीज पूरा कर रही है, वो ट्रिप पे जा रही है, बट एट द सेम टाइम उसको पता है कि जो आप बोलें कि हाँ ये एक वॉर हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, प्लस वो सालों का बैगेज लेके अंदर चल रही है, अनरिजॉल्व्ड बैगेज. मेरा दोस्त थी, उसके पापा को सेटिंग हो गया मेरा, फिर अब उसी का लवर से साथ मेरा चल रहा है, ठीक है, वो इतना
हाँ
चीज उसके ऊपर लग चुका है ना कि
Build
वो
up
Pile up
हो
हो
रहा
रहा
है.
है.
पहला चीज को
हाँ
सॉल्व नहीं कर
हाँ.
सकती, उसके दिमाग में वो है कि यार ये तो गड़बड़, इतना दिन हो गया कि अब और करते हैं,
हाँ
करने और उसमें और आग लगाते हैं, लेट्स नॉट सॉल्व इट. Alright, talking
Yeah.
about
Fine.
solving things, let's talk about the second important scene I'm just going through. Damon versus Rhaenyra, the confrontation. Right? Tell me, what do you guys think?
her deepest
Amit,
darkest
start
secrets
कर.
came out about
हाँ.
Damon कि भाई
Yes.
I never trusted you from the start, लेकिन कैसे भी मैं तुम्हारे साथ रह रही थी, लेकिन अब जो तुमने किया है, you have just dented my entire thing. So this is the scene which I really like, because if we combine this particular scene and a scene from episode 1 na, so you get to see that both Rhaenyra and Alicent really have love for each other's kids. Because Rhaenyra did mention कि भाई मैं हेलेना के साथ ये सब नहीं कर सकती. Similarly, Alicent lit a candle for Lucerys, right? तो they
Hmm.
know कि ये लोग they are just collateral damage, because Rhaenyra का जो है
Two
it
mothers
is with
apart.
Aegon. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. So why she has issues with Aegon and literally no one else in the entire Alicent की family. उसको बस अपना throne
And
चाहिए
now
और
Aemond.
कुछ नहीं.
And now Aemond as well.
हाँ, and
Aemond,
now
yeah.
Aemond, yeah.
इधर
Aemond
पहले नहीं
obviously, yeah.
पहले नहीं था, पहले तो
हाँ.
आंख फोड़वा बुलाती होगी, बट अभी बोल इधर आ, तुम
अब
इधर आ, तुम इधर
तुम्हारा
आओ.
दूसरा आग भी फोड़ती हूँ.
हाँ, और उसको भी तो बोला होगा, एमन भी तो बोला मतलब लेटे हुए कि हाँ भाई मेरे को भी दुख है, थोड़ा ज्यादा ही हो गया, वो तो नहीं करना चाहिए था, मर गया
हाँ,
साले,
I told her it
This is
was
what
not
I'm
my
telling you,
intention.
know,
वो
Sudeep.
मर गया, तुम
Yeah,
कैसे
see-
वापस लाएगा?
No, but actually, that means he has that guilt somewhere, and he accepts it. कि भाई ये मेरा था ही नहीं, ये प्लान में था ही नहीं, मैं गुस्से में था, हो गया भाई. मतलब उसको भी समझ में नहीं आया कि हो क्या गया है इसके साथ, मतलब what just happened, right?
क्लासिक ग्रे
And as a
beautiful
confession.
अरुणिमा, कि मेरे को भी लोग चिढ़ाता था, क्लासिक ग्रे कैरेक्टर्स, मेरे को बहुत चिढ़ाया लोग, तो वो वाला एंगल से
हाँ, बहुत चढ़ा है.
That was his way
of
It was
covering
stupid
up.
of him. It was stupid
That
of
was-
him to balance that out with that killing. I mean,
Ah.
that was very stupid of him.
Yeah. But
But-
that was his way of covering up the Luke's death, क्योंकि that is why he told me I planned it. नहीं तो if people got to know कि वेगार ने उसको ऐसे ही मार दिया without his permission, तो they would look down on him कि भाई इसको अपने ड्रैगन पे कंट्रोल नहीं है. That is why he just took that other action कि हाँ मेरा प्लान था ये करने का.
True.
हाँ.
Yeah, but I think Rhaenyra and Daemon scene was, matlab, it just like there was this tension going on, and we just the sword just came in between, and they just clashed it. Like, this is it. And we spoke about this in the last episode, right? That we don't know where Damon exactly stands, right? And it just came up in the discussion, that probably you have your own agenda that you are trying to fulfilling through me, whatever, that you are also trying to get the throne at the same time, right? You are also trying for it, because मेरे बाप को तुम पे कोई ट्रस्ट था ही नहीं, पहली बात तो, ठीक है?
Correct.
Because you are all over the place, man. I mean, I loved it. The confrontation, the entire discussion that they had, it just clearly shows that they had their fair share of, especially Rhaenyra had a fair share of insecurities towards that guy. And she had a legit question for him that, like, do you accept me as a queen, or what the hell are you up to? Like, and if you remember, she spoke to Bella and said that, yeah, he's following his own path. I could care less at this point of time. He's gone. He's gone. Sir is gone. Sir is gone. But too good. The episode was too good.
उस scene में no, I liked that the tone से she told कि that is my throne when she was having that argument.
Yeah.
My throne.
Yeah.
अब बोलो सुदीप.
No, I think this part, this could be snipped and shown to all girls who like bad boys, right? Because it is a classic lesson in that psychology. You like bad boys.
For example, Arunima.
For all the thrills and all the action and everything, but deep down, their heart only cares for themselves, which is Daemon, classic Daemon. उसको घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. He was smiling. वो लोग जब बात कर रहे थे,
he was smiling through the entire discussion.
Smiling.
Correct.
He was full on chill.
It was a mistake. Yeah.
क्या यार तुम लोग उसको दिमाग में क्या ये लोग बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ तो we have done it. We are ahead. One high son for a son. Score 1, score 1. अब next चलो. Score 2 करते हैं. उसको दिमाग में तो वो चल रहा होगा. So Daemon, this was a beautifully done scene, very much needed. This is high time. ये सब चीज clear होना चाहिए. And good that she asked. तुम बताओ भाई, तुम किसके side हो? Do you accept me as your queen and your grace? Like, bend the knee. बोलना चाहिए, bend the knee. बात करो तुम यहाँ पे. तुमको ये नहीं है तो.
Correct.
And Daemon is just hiding. Be reasoning. इधर इसके पीछे.
Avoiding.
हम जा रहे हैं, हम Harrenhal जा रहे हैं. हम तुम्हारा सेट करने जा रहे हैं ना, फिर तुम क्यों बोल रही हो? जा रहे हैं हम ये कर रहे हैं ना, फिर तुम क्यों बोल रही हो?
He's starting a conversation.
Yeah, he's not saying it right away कि हाँ भाई, you are my queen, समझो. अब तो बोलेंगे तो मारने का भी नहीं. कब मारते कोई ठीक नहीं है. So again Targaryen ना.
Very good point.
Correct. ये सब तो चल ही रहा था. ये सब चल रहा था, but my mind went on a completely different thing. I just took that word. So जब Bella and Daemon cross each other, she's like father and something. That just made me realize कि Daemon is Bella's father and father-in-law.
Yeah.
वो सब तो यहाँ पे कुछ सब है ही नहीं. यहाँ पे बस जो चल रहा है चलने दो, उतना सोचने का ही नहीं. तो बना के जब पाएंगे भाई, कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा.
वो एकदम epic. That realization was very funny for me कि भाई dual roles of everyone.
Yeah.
Also ये जो
no, but I think this.
After you. I'm moving to another thing. So after you.
Okay. No, I think I just would like to say this that this conversation between Rhaenyra and Daemon was much needed. I think it was just piling up.
Yeah.
And boom. I'm glad they had that conversation, and I'm glad that Rhaenyra just like, yo bro, that is my throne. Don't even try to mess around with it, right? Like, you have your issues, go resolve it somewhere else. And he's, as you rightly mentioned also, Sudeep, that he's hiding here and there, and he's basically trying to overlook an entire main conversation that might come on his way, because actually towards the entire scene he never accepts or tells the fact loudly that yes, I accept you as my queen, which is true.
It's like, will you marry me?
Everywhere he's like,
will you marry me? That
देखेंगे.
तो मैं
Yeah.
वो वाला हो रहा था. He was glitching in this whole process. कि भाई वो बोल नहीं पा रहा है भाई, और झूठ में भी नहीं बोला. सबसे वर्स्ट तो बात
हाँ.
है, झूठ में भी नहीं बोला वो. इतना उसको इतना लगा हुआ है आयरन थ्रोन से. अभी मार देना चाहिए. हम तो बोले रैना को बुद्धि तो अभी मारो, इसको सबसे पहले इसी को मारो. यही
हाँ, उसको exactly. जला डालो उसको. उसको ड्रैकारिस करो कोई please. It's high time. He's
But I
like one
think-
of those mad dog who's
I-
barking around everywhere.
हाँ.
He needs to be
वो
stopped.
तो है, वो तो है. But
but-
somewhere deep down, no, I think she knows कि out of everyone who is around her, सबसे ज्यादा support उसको डेमन से ही मिलेगा. इसलिए she is still not kicked him to the curb still. कि भाई ठीक है,
Point.
मुझे insecurities है, लेकिन जब टाइम आएगा सपोर्ट तुम ही करेगा और कोई करेगा नहीं.
हाँ, बहुत जनरल सब
Fine.
मतलब हाँ वो करने में. प्लस एमंड वर्सेस डेमन होना मांगता है तगड़ा वाला.
Obviously,
एकदम
चाचा भतीजा.
Point.
फुल ऑन वॉर होना चाहिए.
मार दो.
Talking about wars and dragons, right? I think this was shared. We have a group, guys. उसमें there was a beautiful image shared that last time, and I think that is the meta references and stuff that comes out. Was a scene where last episode Rhaenyra was crying, weeping for
Yes. Yes,
her
yes, yes.
child. At the same time,
Yeah.
the dragons also shared a mother-son or a mother-daughter, I don't know, but whatever in dragon folks, but mother and a child relationship, because both the mothers were crying in that scene. It was shared in a group. It was
Right.
beautiful. I think this
Right.
is what makes it very,
Yeah.
very special, right? Another piece I want to talk about is talking about I think I don't know why the camera is focusing on them, but if they are focusing, I feel there's something big coming up. Those two brothers,
Hmm.
जो लोग वो शिप पे
Correct.
जाना चाह रहे हैं,
Ship वाले.
Correct. Yeah.
Then again and again we are
Uh-huh.
going to them, and again we are talking about them. It seems they're going to play a major role as the कहानी progresses. Because
Yeah.
एक बंदे ने लॉर्ड कर्टिस की जान बचाई है, तो उसको उसका भाई बोले भाई तुम घुसो यार, तुम जाओ तो बढ़िया रहेगा. At the same time, I think the way they are setting it up, once they join, something they're going to bring to the table that is unknown to all of us right now. So वो भी एक हल्का छोटा build-up चल रहा है. At the same time, talking about brothers, let us talk about the twins of this
Oh.
episode.
ये Eric
Yes.
and Eric.
It was sad. They just got caught up in the stupid game altogether.
हाँ.
They just lost their lives for an idiot called Sir Crystal Cole that
Who wanted to test loyalties.
Yeah, like can someone just throw him from the ledge? Like, and my
People,
God, that man has to die at some point.
Cute है रे.
He's annoying. At one point of time, he again goes like the bitch queen. I'm like, dude, what's wrong with you? I think I've shared this meme on our group as well. That face that she had made when it leave the throne, we just got to sell cinnamon and oranges. She's like, what?
That face is Ali right now.
Like, what the hell, dude? No, man. I mean, that twins just died for no
But
reason.
I would
No
give
reason
him credit.
whatsoever.
I would on the contrary, I'll give Sir Christian credit क्योंकि his plan actually worked almost. वो पहुंच गया था.
Almost worked,
I
yeah.
was shocked.
पहुंच गया था.
हाँ.
भाई गजब यार. मतलब बिल्कुल बढ़िया से सबको चकमा देके he was there in the room. क्वीन का रूम में पहुंच गया. और कोई नहीं.
वही.
क्वीन का रूम में पहुंच गया मारने के लिए. बाप रे. हल्का सा 5 सेकंड डिले. खत्म. हो गया. हाउस ऑफ ड्रैगन बंद. इधर केस सॉल्व. His
Yeah.
plan, as much as
Yeah,
stupid
actually
that
you're
plan
right.
was, कि अकेले जाना और ये करना, I think sometimes this crazy stupid bravery works, क्योंकि वो पहुंच गया था.
Sheer luck. हाँ.
Sheer luck
It was
तो
a sheer luck.
sheer luck तो इसका हुआ है भाई रनेरा का. अगर वो
It got
Missandei,
right
I was about to say
हाँ.
Missandei नहीं जो Mysaria
Mysaria.
है ना.
समझ गए.
हाँ.
The
हाँ.
Mysaria, yeah.
व्हाइट लोटस क्या नाम है उसका, व्हाइट वर्म, हाँ व्हाइट वर्म।
व्हाइट वर्म,
White
तो
Worm.
व्हाइट लोटस व्हाइट लोटस दूसरा शो है, उसका अलग पॉडकास्ट में डिस्कशन होगा।
तो उसको क्या तो बच गई, अगर उसको नहीं दिखा होता ना, और उतना शार्प नहीं होती कि भाई बिड़ू तो अंदर है, इधर क्या कर रहा है, तो फिर गई थी वो, आज नहीं बच पाती। क्या करती वहां पे, क्या करती वो, ड्रैकेरिस करती, कोई था ही नहीं, अकेले थी, सुती उसमें जाती, वो खत्म था उसका। और आई
वो
वाज
तो है
शॉक्ड,
यार।
आई वाज शॉक्ड एज टू हाउ इजीली ही वेंट इन, मतलब and how nicely
हाँ.
it was done कि वो आया, वो देखा हेलमेट नहीं पहन, खुला बाल, बस खुला बाल में चोटी, हटाया हेलमेट अपना, और दोनों भाई सेम लुक रखा है, सेम कपड़ा पहनता है, पैथेटिक।
Correct.
इसीलिए
मतलब
तो इट वाज
इतना,
इजी।
हाँ. That was easy, yeah.
इन लोगों को वही बोल,
And it was
होना चाहिए, कुछ करना चाहिए था इन लोगों को, कुछ इधर मार्का या इधर एक्स की, मैं तेरे साथ है, वो उसके साथ, तेजा मैं हूँ, मार्क इधर है, कुछ करना चाहिए था ये लोगों
बॉलीवुड
को,
मूवी जैसे। हाँ,
क्योंकि
true.
इट वाज
And
बहुत
actually,
अच्छा।
when that, yeah,
गो
when the
अहेड।
duel was actually happening, the duel was when it was happening. The other knight who had come inside to save Rhaenyra, he's confused कि भाई इसमें से एरिक कौन है? Like,
हैव एनीवन ऑफ यू
किसको
so
सीन
मारूं?
as you
मिर्जापुर?
rightly mentioned कि वो घुस गया. Yeah,
मिर्जापुर
yeah.
देखा, उसमें भी यही हो रहा था ना लास्ट वाले में, क्लासिक ये हुआ था कि था मिर्जापुर ओवर हियर, द ओनली थिंग वाज इट डिड नॉट कंटिन्यू, क्योंकि यहाँ
हाँ,
पे ना आई वुड हैव लव्ड कि वो कंफ्यूजन था कि ये इधर वाला है या उधर वाला है, वो कंफ्यूजन रहता ना, इट वुड हैव बीन अमेजिंग। वो मारता,
करेक्ट।
लेट्स से, अच्छा दो बोलते हैं, एक अच्छा सेरेरिक, एक बुरा सेरेरिक, बुरा सेरेरिक अच्छे वाले को
Hmm.
मारता और फिर बोलता क्वीन, माय क्वीन,
मैं अच्छा
आई
हूँ,
प्लेज
हाँ।
माय एलिजेंस टू
Hmm.
यू, ठीक है, और अब वो बुरा वाला वहां खड़ा है, अब रुको मौका मिलने तो मारेंगे इसको, अब पहले घुसने दो मेरे को, पूरा प्लान वैन लीक करेंगे यहाँ से, इसको भाई को मार के
Hmm.
ये करेंगे। और मस्त रहता कि भाई हम लोग सब पागल होते, भाई
या
मेरा बगल में देख, तेरा लेफ्ट में देख खड़ा है, तेरा लेफ्ट देख भाई, तेरे साथ में है, ये पूरा प्लान लीक करेगा, बट नहीं, दे डिड अ
करेक्ट।
डिफरेंट थिंग। अच्छा वाला जीत गया, नहीं अच्छा वाला बोला भाई तुम लोग डाउट नहीं रखने का,
डिसाइड करो, हाँ।
हाँ।
बट आई थिंक दिस वुड हैव मेड गुड सेंस इफ, मतलब इन द सेम एपिसोड नहीं, ही शुड हैव किल्ड हिमसेल्फ इन द सेकंड एपिसोड, और मतलब इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड बेसिकली, कि
इन लोग
भाई
इतना डाउट हो
डाउट्स
रहा
हो
है,
रहे हैं,
इतना डाउट हो रहा है वो
हाँ,
देख के, हाँ इट वुड
इसे
मेक
अच्छा
मच मोर
कर ही
सेंस।
लेते हैं, या
That
that would have stretched a
just
bit.
killed your brother. You just killed your brother. वो भी ऐसे नहीं, twin brother.
Hmm.
मतलब Amit
Hmm.
wants twins essentially.
अरे
अब जो है सो है, क्या करे आदमी। तो ऐसा हालत में, और तुम लोग बोल रहे हो आपस में कि भाई बिड़ू है तू मेरा, बिड़ू है तू मेरा करके, and then you kill your brother, और then तुरंत थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली में ना ठीक बोल रहा है, एक एपिसोड वेट करता ना, ये लोग सब कंफ्यूज्ड है कि भाई तू दूर रह, तेरे को पता नहीं तू कौन है, और तब वो ग्रीफ
हाँ,
ग्रुप में
correct.
बोलता है भाई ड्रैकेरिस इधर, करके कुछ कर लेता तो ज्यादा,
बट हाँ, बट यू स्टिल नेवर नो,
Actually,
मे बी ये
Rhaenyra-
चल रहा था,
Yeah.
ये उसके दिमाग में
Yeah.
चल रहा था कि मैंने अपने भाई को मारा है, साथ में आए थे साथ में जाते हैं टाइप्स,
could be।
नेवर नो।
Actually,
खत्म कर।
Rhaenyra also was confused for a second कि
Hmm.
कौन सा भाई जीता, मतलब even she got confused for a second, like she
हाँ.
was just standing over there कि वो आया until he stabbed himself कि that's it, I prove your loyalty to you, and that's the time he says sir, and it was all over by that time,
हाँ.
right?
And
She
और
was like-
सबका जो जो सबका बैकड्रॉप जाता है वो यही है कि इन लोग का ग्रुप का यही नियम ही है, वो जो क्वीन हो या
Correct.
किंग हो, उसको पूरा मरते दम तक वाला लॉयल्टी के दे के जाने का है, अगर वो दे दिए तो हो गया, बाकी सब जो होना है हो, वो हम कर दिए तो हो गया।
करेक्ट, उनका that's the whole
Actually,
point, they show loyalty,
yeah.
no? भाई, I mean,
Yeah.
I can die for you also, that is how loyal I am to you.
Yeah.
ऐसा।
And remember in the first episode they were discussing, right? Ki jab, and I remember Amit was mentioning this, that when the family itself is fighting, then
Who
where
will
do we
support?
stand? Right?
Yeah.
Who will support? And this is how their life. I think it was very sad ending for both the brothers. I mean, they should not have died like this. They could have done a lot of things with those characters. Actually, was what I
think-
felt.
हाँ,
I think Amit is the Grim Reaper. अगर वो अमित आज पूछा
हाँ.
हम लोग से कि कौन से दो कैरेक्टर्स अगर next episode
खलास.
I think he was aware कि ये मरेगा भाई. तुम लोग कितना डिस्कस करना है कर लो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में.
Oh.
Makes
But
me-
No,
in that
definitely,
scene
I
only,
mean-
so like तुमने बोला ना कि क्या Rhaenyra was not able to figure out कि क्या करूं. So वो दिमाग में सोचू कि अरे अब ये जीत गया है, इसके लिए अब ताली बजाऊं कि हेल्प के लिए चिल्लाऊं. मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं कौन है. So but that also shows कि Rhaenyra is still not aware of her council कि भाई ये मेरे
Council,
supporters हैं,
yeah.
but she doesn't know them
Correct.
that well enough
Beautiful,
कि
beautiful.
भाई तुम कौन हो. I'm
Hey,
very
nice
insightful.
observation, man.
हाँ, लेकिन
Clearly.
actual में यार, actual में तो पता होना चाहिए. और नहीं पता भी नहीं हो भाई. अगर हम होते ना, हम पूछे तुम कल रात खाना में क्या खाया था? कल रात हम कौन सा कलर का कपड़ा पहने थे?
माची
Logic,
झोल.
भाई.
हाँ.
जो मारना नहीं, रुक 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 रुक,
Teach us.
मारना नहीं, रुक 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 रुक. कल रात तुम फिर पहने, उसको फिर वो आते हैं उसको बोला बैठ तुम इधर. कल रात कल दिन में हम क्या पहन रहे थे? वो ये बता. You wore the down, my queen. यही है. ये अपना वाला है. ये अपना वो
ओवर एक्टिंग के लिए गला काटो.
ऐसे पूछने का भाई. तेज बनने का. और नहीं तो पता होने का. पान खाएगा? हाँ. ये अपना वाला. ये पान खाता है. ये ऐसे करके चेक करके करने का. मरने कर लिया था वो.
वही. She just lost a supporter. क्या फायदा?
We will reconvene क्योंकि Zoom होने वाला है. ठीक है? तो एक हम लोग reconvene
Okay,
करेंगे.
sure.
I'll send a new link. तो पानी वानी पियो, take a break, and we'll be back. All right. So we were talking about, or we are going to talk about the most important man of the moment, the man in the bedroom, the man in every man's bedroom right now. Kristen Cole. Sir Kristen Cole, and now the Hand, who is no longer Alicent's muse, but also hand to the king
Yeah.
and a hand to her as
Yeah.
well for a lot of different things.
Not only
Ah.
just hand.
Lovely. Alicent,
Oh God.
Alicent is
I
in her
love the
kings.
introduction.
Yeah, Alicent loves her kings and she's taking it to the next level. Just like every alcoholic, just like every addicted person who has to stop, she doesn't want to stop. She wants to slap him hard and keep going on. So let's talk about Sir Kristen Cole and this amazing episode that is now.
You never know.
actually
But
seeing
you never
the rise
know
of Sir Kristen Cole.
if she slaps him.
Both rise in many senses.
He got a better promotion, definitely. But I'll start with
The
Amit
hype
first. I
was
want to hear
worth it.
Amit now.
The hype was worth it.
हाँ.
Definitely worth it. But Amit, go first, man.
For Kristen, end of the day, loyalty was rewarded. He got what he not deserved or wanted, but he still got the hand. And so congrats to him. ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे कि वो सुन रहा है बैठ के अभी. But still,
हाँ.
it was, we were all, at least I was expecting कि Laris को बोल देगा कि भाई ठीक है ऑटो तुम जाओ, Laris बनेगा हाथ. But then Kristen was the ideal one chosen because देखा जाए तो it makes sense also because Kristen was on his side. He was doing things that was needed to be done. Plus, वो कॉम्बैक्ट रेडी है तो क्या पता, it's like a added perk कि पता चला small council में कुछ हो गया तो he can be protected as well. So good step up for Sir Kristen Cole.
Arunima?
Well, he had a very interesting promotion for sure. He suddenly became the hand of the king, and but he continued with his activities, for which I am
Extra
not so
curriculum.
surprised to see again. And I think extracurricular activities with Alicent, and I think Alicent is also getting a kick out of it for some reason, with all the trashing and pushing him against the wall. Weird. Very weird. But I think, as we were also discussing, right, that, but again, we were also thinking, especially I was thinking that this will be something where Otto Hightower character will come to an end, right? But I feel that he's gonna, like, with him coming to as the Hand of the King, it's not going to be that helpful, definitely, because obviously it doesn't come with that experience. It's gonna fall flat, and when Otto Hightower comes into the picture, well, we were predicting his death, but definitely that was his career death for sure, which gone to the graves. And then obviously his grandson only said that, you know what, you are, please go back. You have been released from your post, right? Definitely insulting.
Your services are no
jarring.
longer needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जितना
Kristen
भी
Cole
family
definitely
खेल लो.
enjoyed. Kristen Cole loved it. I'm sure he got a kick out of it. Definitely got a kick out of it. He's like, I'm going to keep a very smug face right now. Sir, I'm trying to talk like this, sir. I'm like, what?
Celebration
shit,
भी हो गया
man?
ना उसका तो. Promotion का celebration भी मिल गया उसको. Party वाटी सब.
Yeah, like, what the hell? I mean, I was like, damn. Like, anyway, things are going to the hands of the dogs now. It just got accelerated. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, fair
It was
enough.
shit show. Yeah.
Great points. What I felt was two things majorly, right? First, I did not want the credits to roll. That's number one, for obvious reasons. I was disappointed when the credits rolled. Number two, and jokes aside, but I'm very, 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 very keen on how will Darius take this. He knows क्या हो रहा है behind those closed doors. He knows how he
yeah.
wants to see the feet, and all of that fetish is also there. उधर वो गेम है. He knows, इसको पता है कि ये अंदर क्या लोग करते हैं. So he knows that. इसको चाहिए हैंड वाला थिंग, और ये बीच में आ गया. इसका सबसे परफेक्ट प्लान चल रहा था, यही जाके बताया. और बिकॉज द किंग इज स्टूपिड, ही चोज सर क्रिस्टन को. तो आई एम वेरी वेरी क्यूरियस टू सी हाउ माय हार्ट वांट्स टू से कि अब वो मरवा देगा कोई, कि भाई तुम हटो तो मेरे को मिलेगा ये, क्योंकि अभी ऑटो गया है बाहर. एलिसेंट बिजी होगी इसी के साथ. ऐसे भी तो बुद्धि भ्रष्ट है, वो अपना जो करेगी. हमको कुछ करना तो हमको ही कुछ करना है. इसको मरवाना होगा कोल हटा रास्ता से. एलिसेंट का भी ध्यान थोड़ा सा काम डाउन बेबी, और देन आई कैन बी द हैंड. एक तरीका वो है. एक तरीका है कि ही विल एंश्योर दैट क्रिस्टन कोल फेल्स बुरी तरह से एज अ हैंड. कुछ तो करेगा लैरिस, क्योंकि वो अब बैठा हुआ है. एंड आई सी दीस पैरेलल्स, आप दिमाग हमेशा बार बार जाता है. रेनेरा को देखते हैं तो व्हेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग टू अमित, आई सेड डेनेरिस, वो दूर बैठी है ड्रैगनस्टोन में, थ्रोन चाहिए कर रही है. इधर एक टारगेरियन बैठा हुआ है थ्रोन पे, इसको बुद्धि है ही नहीं. तो जॉफरी याद आ जाता है. जॉफरी तो बहुत ब्रूटल, उसको तो अभी मारने का मन करता है, बट ये बेवकूफ है. ये सारा सेटअप में जब देखते बेलिश और लैरिस आ गया, बहुत सिंपल. और एक याद है जो टकलू एक था, गोलू मोलू, व्हाट वाज हिज नेम? वेरिस. He was like wise and good वाला था, उसका एंगल था, जो रैन को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहता था. बट यहाँ वो सब हिसाब किताब नहीं है. लैरिस को क्लियरली पावर चाहिए, और वो अपना दाव एक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम खेल रहा है. अब जब लैरिस को पता चलेगा कि साला इसको किंग बना दिए हो तुम लोग, he will flip. कुछ तो करेगा वो, कुछ गंदा करेगा. एंड आई कैन सी कोल का एंटरटेनमेंट खत्म हो गया. कोल हैज डन हिज बिट्स. को जितना मिलना था उससे ज्यादा मिल गया है, ओवर अचीव कर लिया है वो.
No, Cole will fall. That is happening for sure, because he cannot handle it. Because again, as Otto said at some point of time, that he has been with 3 kings. He knows how this kingdom works. He knows the politics. He knows the strategy. It's him and Alicent who is holding this entire thing together, and he knows that. I'm sure when he threw away that badge of the hand of the king towards Sir Cole, so yeah, man, take it. You know, as a matter of fact, this is going
तुम नहीं
towards
कर
the worst,
पाओगे.
right?
To the dogs.
Yeah,
Go to
and at the
dogs.
same time, yeah, to the dogs. And Aegon had already made that. If you remember that particular scene, that all the rat catchers, he just hanged all of them so that everyone can come and see. And that's where the
Yeah.
entire discussion started. Like, what the hell are you doing, man? Right? I am trying to douse the fire, and you are just doing the opposite. Right?
Correct.
And that's where the entire thing came. कि ना हो गया अब तुम्हारा, दे दो. Sir Kristen Cole तो भेज दिया है उस भाई को. And stuff like that. But I'm sure he will have a downfall, and that's coming, that's impending, that's happening for sure. That's happening for sure. And when he will fall flat, everything will go for a toss at the same time. And as you rightly mentioned, Laris is just round the corner. She just needs the right opportunity to
Yeah.
He
put the
had
petrol in that fire.
He had insinuated him कि भैया तुम्हारे it was your father's hand. तुम्हारा हाथ
Yeah,
नहीं-
it was his bet actually. He
हाँ,
wanted to become the hand of the king.
हाँ,
Correct.
That was the entire
Correct.
discussion came along, right?
यहाँ
कि बताओ यार.
यहाँ पे by Alicent sending Otto बहुत बड़ा सर्विस करी. वो ऑटो यहाँ रहेगा ना उस घर में, नहीं बचेगा वो. अच्छा है वो घूम के आए और इधर फिर वापस आएगा, देखेगा पूरा तबाह हो चुका है इधर. पूरा दोनों भाई कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, लोग मर चुके हैं बहुत सारे. एलिसेंट बैठी हुई है और कोल खड़ा है या लंगड़ा हुआ है या फिर लैरिस खड़ा है वहाँ. Something or the other would have happened over here. Looked out the blue, and then they would probably realize कि भाई ऑटो का रहना जरूरी है, नहीं तो नहीं बच पाएंगे. और ऑटो वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली जा रहा है, वो मना के लाएगा टलीज को. टलीज लोग को बेड़ू बना के लाएगा.
If
I
you
also
see,
feel that. Carry on, Amit.
yeah, I was just saying कि if you see, compare Laris का contribution in season 1 to till now in season 2, he had much more face time in season 1 because he was scheming, but abhi they're not showing his schemes. So from what I remember in the 2 episodes, he has very minimalistic presence. जो I think वो that's the twist that is coming ना, कि वो थोड़ा minimalistic, थोड़ा और major face time पे आने वाला है.
Yeah,
He
true.
should. He should.
No, yeah. आएगा वो. Laris definitely will have a big role to play here, especially with
More
the
feats.
hand of the. Yeah. I mean, because he was the one who initiated that entire conversation. That what is Otto Hightower doing here in the first place? That was meant for him, correct?
Hmm.
So we will be foolish enough to think that he won't do anything about it. If someone can burn down their entire house, their own house, but that man can do anything that he wishes to do, right?
Yeah.
But I feel with Otto leaving, I think he will leave someone like a custodian, what I am expecting towards Alicent. I don't think he will just let the reins go. Like, okay, I leave it to you. You figure it out how it works. You never know. Probably Laris might use this as an opportunity to become more confident towards Alicent. That's what I am thinking. Because there's a lot of bigger things. Because I feel Otto have already predicted what's going to happen, because he's looking from a futuristic perspective. Whatever this, whatever Aegon is doing out of, impulsiveness, out of anger, out of grief, this will have an effect. He knows that. And all he was trying to contain everything, which Aegon at this point of time is not ready to listen at all to him. At all. Right? उसके दिमाग में वो घुस गया है कि उसको हटाना है, मुझे बस सुनना ही नहीं है, मुझे कुछ करना है. I want to take revenge. And I feel if that happens, then probably Otto would reach out to Laris, or Laris would reach out to Otto. And that's what I am feeling, that he might become the custodian some way without his, in his absence.
हो सकता है.
That might
Because
have a
that
very
is
interesting
very
turn.
correct.
That might have a very interesting turn.
Because then he's actually, it's like I'm just leveraging जो हो रहा है. I'm not building something new. जो हम लोग ही किए हो उसी में I'm pushing. उसी में I'm playing my part. Man,
Correct.
that would be really, and maybe a classic thing. उसके वही हैंड बन जाए, मतलब फिर ऑटो है भाई, तेरे को हैंड कौन बनने बोला था? तेरे को यहाँ पे एलिसेंट पे ध्यान देने बोला तुम यहाँ हैंड बन के पूरा उधम मचा
हाँ।
रहे हो. What the hell, dude? You know, like होता ना क्लासिक
Otto
गलत
is
आदमी
not
को
that stupid. Yeah.
गलत आदमी को कीज ऑफ द किंगडम, क्योंकि ऑटो का अभी हाथ ये खाली है ना, कोई है नहीं. खाली एलिसेंट पे जाके पकड़ के डॉक्टर कहीं से नहीं होगा. डॉक्टर नहीं कुछ करेगी, डॉक्टर बिजी है,
हाँ.
नहीं कर पाएगी. बट क्योंकि अब कोई है नहीं. एमन को समझाएगा जाके, क्या समझाएगा एमन को? फिर ड्रैगन लेके चला जाएगा वो.
हाँ.
ब्रो ये सब
ये-
ड्रैगन लेके कहीं ना कहीं हमेशा निकल जाते हैं.
अगेन ड्रैगन लेके निकलने के बाद पे सो रेनेरा हैड टोल्ड बेला टू गो एंड ऐसे नजर रखने का कि उधर क्या हो रहा है. वो गई
King's
है,
Landing.
दिखाया
हाँ.
नहीं कि नजर रखते हुए, बट वो गई है देखने के लिए कि हो क्या रहा है उधर. ठीक है. अगेन बहुत रिस्की मूव है, बोली थोड़ा दूर रहने का, बट ऐसे आई थिंक नॉट स्टूपिड बट कोई सेंसिबल आदमी ऐसे डेमन लोग जाके देखता है तो थोड़ा सेंस भी बनता है, मतलब दे नो थोड़ा कितना दूर रहने का है. अगर लेट्स से वेगार को दिख गया तो वेगार थोड़ी छोड़ेगा. ये रुको एक सेकंड, इधर आओ.
मैं आती.
मैं आती
हाँ.
मतलब भूख लगी. चलेगी गुस्सा में तो आई मीन
No, actually, if you remember, Sudeep, sorry to cut you in. वो एक एपिसोड पे हमने ट्रेलर देखा था ना कि किंग्स लैंडिंग के ऊपर से एक ड्रैगन जा रहा है.
एग्जैक्टली आई वाज
I
एक्सपेक्टिंग
feel
दैट.
it's gonna be Bella.
हाँ.
I felt it's gonna be Bella.
और
I
या
don't
फिर
know. She will have a very weird ending too.
हाँ नहीं, या तो फिर वो
हाँ.
कंप्लीटली वो चेस वाला हो जाएगा कि वो गई कुछ हुआ इसके कारण उसको जाना पड़ा उधर से गई तो सब लोग देख लिया. अब फिर वेगार बोला रुको भाई हम तुमको दौड़ाएंगे, रुक किधर तुम इधर क्यों आई? तो वो भागेगी. कि नाम भी मून डांसर है, हमको ज्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है इससे. तो क्रैक्शिस और रैक्शिस कुछ ऐसा नहीं, मून डांसर है तो
हाँ.
भाग निकल उड़ी है, वो वाला टाइप का है यहाँ पे. I think Vegar, and you guys call me Vegar, I can sense what she would think. इधर नहीं आने का, इधर क्यों आई है तू? इधर तेरे को पता है अभी एक को मारा ना, फिर फालतू का उंगली करने आ रही है इधर.
Also, I have a question. If you remember, there was this one scene which you were talking about, right? These two brothers, they were fixing the
हाँ.
ship, right? Lord Corlys, if I got the name right?
हाँ,
those
लॉर्ड
two,
कॉलिंस
one
को
of the
हेल्प किया था
brother,
वो. हाँ.
correct. So one of the brother, he was picking up shells, right, from the sea beach, and he suddenly sees a dragon over
Dragon,
there,
yeah.
right? I felt, I don't know. I mean, which character was that? Like, were you guys able to understand
हाँ
who was
उसका भाई
that?
था, पतला वाला भाई था उसका, जो उसके लिए गोट बनाया था ना, वो था. जो नहीं बोला गोट बनाना घर पे, हाँ गोट बनाया, वही चुन रहा था, वही देखा. अरे
Oh, okay. I thought for a second probably it's like a demon getting sighted over that. कुछ तो कांड कर रहा है वो आदमी ड्रैगन लेके.
नहीं डेमन नहीं था, ये थी ग्रे वाला था ना, वो यही थी. हल्का था.
Okay.
डेमन का तो भाई अलग ही अच्छा शॉट था. डेमन का निकलते हुए जा रहे हैं, हैरन हॉल
हाँ.
निकल रहे हैं,
उसका तो ड्रैगन वेरी एविडेंट है, लाल कलर का.
लाल कलर का रगेड रस्टी.
Correct. It's a big one. It's big mouth.
अब यू नेवर नो, वो बाद में वो सेटिंग भी हो सकता है बेला और उसका. ये भी होता है फोरशैडोइंग कि भाई देखा
हाँ.
पहली बार तो ऐसा टाइप का भी हो सकता है कि हाँ भाई
True.
वो-
Anything can happen.
एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. कुछ मैटर थोड़ी करता है, ये वेस्टरोस है, ये हम लोग का लाइफ थोड़ी है, वहाँ सब हो सकता है. तो वो एंगल भी है. I think it was him only.
Also-
I don't think it's a new character. वही था, उसका भाई था, पर वो बीच पे वो क्रैब अच्छा खाना बनाने के लिए, हाँ खाना बनाने के लिए सब दे रहा.
वो कुछ तो करने गया था, क्रैब वैब
हाँ,
उठा रहा
हाँ.
था. That's the time they show that dragon. Yeah.
Also,
Also, since we are on the topics of dragon, we didn't forget, but there is still another dragon which has not yet been shown in season 2.
हाँ एक जो
Do
अंधेरा
you
में
guys
बैठा
remember
हुआ है ना.
Vermithor? Ah, correct.
Oh,
अंधेरा वाला.
yes.
There's still one
yes,
dragon that
yes.
needs to be exposed in this season more.
So, like always, I went ahead and I saw the promo next episode का क्या है नहीं है. उसमें they are saying कि we should use one of our core strengths. What? Dragons. ठीक है.
Dragons.
तो
Yes,
ड्रैगन
yes.
का
Correct,
अंडा
correct.
लेके लोग जमा कर रहे हैं. वही 3 अंडा है शायद. I don't know. फिर आगे जाके यही ड्रैगेरिस बनता था. डेनेरिस के ड्रैगन बनते हैं.
डेनेरिस का
I don't know वो
हाँ.
क्या है. बट वो 3 अंडा का सीन एक आया. फिर अब ये सब निकालेंगे ना ड्रैगन को. इन्हीं का तो मार होना है ना. तो वो लोग निकालेंगे. फिर बोलती है
Correct.
वो रेनीस. तो नाम सब ये लोग इतना गैप ही नहीं रखे. अमित और अमित ऐसा लगे नाम रखे. रेनीस बोलती है कि अगर ड्रैगन लोग का मार हुआ तो कितना दिक्कत. मतलब ऐसा नहीं, नॉर्मल लोकल लैंग्वेज में नॉर्मल में कि ड्रैगन लोग ड्रैगन फाइट देन इट विल बी अ बिग प्रॉब्लम इफ ड्रैगन्स फाइट ईच अदर. तो कोर स्ट्रेंथ तो वही है. तुम्हारे पास भी उसके पास भी. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हारे पास हो तुम कहीं जाओगे उड़ते उड़ते और हाँ हाँ करके निकल जाओगे.
हो जाएगा. करेक्ट.
और वहां पे वो लोग स्कॉर्पियन तैयार रखा है खिड़की पे कि अब आओ तुम लोग मारेंगे. तो वो सारा सेटअप इज काइंड ऑफ सेट. आई थिंक अगेन वॉर इज इमिनेंट. कोई बचा नहीं सकता उससे. इट्स जस्ट द हाफ.
That is happening for sure. Yeah. That is definitely happening for sure. I have also seen the trailer for the next week's episode. Yes, they are thinking about beautifying all the dragons together. But again, there is a concern कि अगर हम अपने हाउस के बीच में dragons घुसा के we try to fight this, then how it will go. That is also a very brief mention of that is there in that trailer as well. And obviously we see this march of this army or whatever, like a military is moving in, but someone is advancing, right? But let's see. But the war is happening definitely for sure. That is, I think that is inevitable. That's the
I would have
will be all
loved
about, I guess.
एक सीन, कुछ नहीं, एक सीन इस एपिसोड में एक छोटू सा ग्रुप है कॉल्ड बारातियों. बारातियों का स्वागत पान पराग से करना. वो वाला एक ग्रुप है और वो लोग बैठे हुए हैं और वो खाली बस दिखा दो और छोड़ दो. अरे यार रॉबर्ट बराथियन सरसी जी.
लेकिन वो तो 200 साल बाद है.
200 साल बाद आ रहे हैं लोग शार्प लोग के साथ. यही हुआ था ना शायद. ये लोग आके कब्जा कर लिए थे कि भाई अपना है. क्योंकि अभी तो भाई टारगेरियन चल रहा है ना. तुम भी टारगेरियन हम भी टारगेरियन. तुम भी टारगेरियन हम भी टारगेरियन. सब वाइट बाल लटकाते झटकाते हुए अपना.
Not to give any major spoilers to you guys, but Dragon se related there is a major thing coming which would definitely impact stories. So
Wonderful.
let's see if it happens this season or next season.
So
let's see.
Actually ये भी चीज हम लोग को ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि I mean to encash they will not speed up things. To encash on the brand, to encash on the story, तो लोग जल्दी नहीं दिखाएंगे भाई. ये लोग ले जाएंगे धीरे-धीरे. अगर कोई उम्मीद करके बैठा है कि डांस ऑफ द ड्रैगन्स इसी सीजन में देखने को मिलेगा तो मे बी सॉरी सर यू आर अप फॉर अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. अभी आप देखो अभी लंबा चलेगा. वो एंड गेम है आपके लिए काइंड ऑफ. वो आएगा लास्ट में. उससे पहले सब ड्रामा देखो. लोगों को मरना है. अभी बहुत सारा चीज तो नहीं दिखा है. पता नहीं होगा भी कि नहीं. वो I mean I used to love Bravos. I just love Bravos. वो मस्त लगता था मेरे को. वो आदमी खड़ा है उसका गेटवे पे और अंदर जाओ वहाँ पे वो A Man Has No Name वाला ग्रुप घूम रहा है. क्या हम लोग को बोलते थे?
Faceless Men.
Faceless Men तो बोलते थे.
Faceless Men or something like that.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
वो लोग मस्त व्यू. वो लोग वलार मोरगुलिस वो लोग ग्रुप
Valar Morghulis, Valar Dohaeris. Yes. I feel, as you rightly mentioned, both of you, that मतलब Dance of the Dragons इतना जल्दी तो आएगा नहीं for sure, right? I know there is a
100%.
whole thing. I mean, this war was fought for many years, right? Because when I was looking up online, there are different chapters to this war, actually, right? So Dance of the Dragon, to come up to that, they need to build up the story. Ki now finally that is done. Now they're going for war, right? This is like a pile on things are happening. सब लोग प्रेडिक्ट
तो।
तो जरूर कर रहे हैं कि होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, बट हो नहीं रहा है. सबका यही है कि भाई रुक जाओ, थोड़ा सब्र करो, थोड़ा मतलब लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई टू स्ट्रेटेजाइज इट बेटर, राइट?
अभी तो बेस
but,
बना रहे हैं बस.
अब एक
Correct.
सीजन 1
Correct.
was step 1 of the war का स्टार्टिंग.
Correct.
अभी तो बहुत steps
लैनिस्टर
बाकी
भी नहीं
है.
दिखाया ना, एक भी लैनिस्टर नहीं दिखाया ना.
I
No,
think
no,
they
no,
showed
no,
they
no.
showed
Only
one
हाँ वन, एक वो पार्टी में उसको शादी करने के लिए एक लैनिस्टर
party
को
में.
बोल रहा
Correct.
था,
correct,
बोल रहा था.
correct.
हाँ, वो बचपन में, हाँ, correct.
बचपन
That's the
में.
only Lannister we saw in
it's-
season 1.
इट्स
Yeah.
वेरी क्लासिक थिंग कि यू नो टाइम के साथ कौन सी कम्युनिटीज पावर में आती हैं. एक टाइम लगता है 100-200 साल के बाद पता चला ये कम्युनिटी टॉप पे है, फिर 100-200 बाद पता चला कोई छोटी कम्युनिटी, फिर थोड़ा दिन बाद वो आगे टॉप पे. क्योंकि अब जब
Yeah.
गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में स्टार्क, बराथियन, लैनिस्टर और ऑब्वियस टारगेरियन, ये चार ऐसे मेजर मतलब दिखता था कट. शुरुआत तो स्टार्क और लैनिस्टर वाला ही एंगल था, ठीक है. अब
Correct.
इधर अब देखो टारगेरियन, ये हरा वाला क्या नाम है?
High tower.
High Towers.
हाई टावर्स.
हाँ.
टारगेरियन, हाई
हम्म.
टावर्स. स्टार्क का कुछ भी मतलब नहीं है इधर, जस्ट नेमसेक है और यही है. इट्स टारगेरियन से टारगेरियन काइंड ऑफ. बाकी सब लोग आर प्लेइंग देयर रोल इर्द गिर्द, और कोई
Yeah.
ऐसा थर्ड पार्टी
Also,
मेजर
I
नहीं
think
बैठा.
Larys has a house. No, I think Larys has a
Strong.
different house. if I'm not
He's from that house strong.
हाँ,
Yes,
strong.
yes. He still has that. Yeah.
Larry strong. But if you see now, what you told is correct only because देखा जाए, if you look at the history of Targaryens also, they were originally not a strong house. Because they were one of the smaller houses in the land of all the houses which had dragons. But the only reason Targaryens were in power is because old Valyria fell. And all the dragons along with the dragon riders died there. But Targaryens were the only people who survived because they moved out because someone got a prophecy. So इसीलिए they were in power because of the dragons. Dragons गए, Targaryens गए.
Correct. And I think that's why they're a little skeptical in that third episode. If Amit, you have seen the trailer, what
I have
Sudeep was
not
also mentioning,
yet.
there is a description. I mean, there is a discussion going on कि भाई dragons डालना है कि नहीं. अगर खुद के बीच में लड़ाई चल रहा है कि is that really necessary to bring the dragons, because that is their strategy, right? That's their strong point, that they have dragons.
Asset
Correct.
and a
Yeah.
major.
Correct.
Correct. But होगा.
चलो, let's see
मतलब
क्या होता है.
No, but
Yeah.
war is happening. We all know that. I mean, that's happening. That's definitely
तो है.
happening. But it's sort of.
Alright.
I don't think it's gonna be good ending though. Let's see.
Let's see. I think conspiracy is afoot. A lot of things are falling into its place and falling apart at the same
Yes.
time. I think for a 1 hour 6-minute episode of Rhaenyra the Cruel, we have done a 1 hour 2-minute episode of discussing of what works and what doesn't. So I think a lot of cool content out there for anyone listening to us. About you can listen to us while you're working, while you're doing something. Just hear us blabber and listen to us talking over each other and apologizing in the mix. That is all. That is what this podcast is going to be about. This is therapeutic for us. This is a lot of fun, and we are very excited as to how things are moving forward and the characters that have been built. This is me, Sudeep, Arunima from India, both of us, and Amit from the US. Thank you so much for joining in. Namaste. I don't want to do the Duguna Lagega because it's not in London, else I would have done that show. But it's okay. Let's see how the story progresses. A lot of key elements, and our team would like to congratulate Sir Kristen Cole on his well-deserved promotion. All the best, and may you work more years at the high tower.
Now,
Awesome.
you know, but on that note, Sudeep, and now too, I definitely want Larys to come back. When I saw Sir Kristen Cole get I'm not the key. I'm like, भाई Larys को वापस लेके आओ, कोई इसको जला डालो.
वो तो लैरिस को
I'm on the
तो
discussion.
लाल पे जो मिर्ची लगी होगी ना वो
हाँ
इनका मेहनत मेरा और क्रेडिट जा रहा है इसको। और सबसे बढ़िया है जब पता चलेगा कि भाई दोनों भाई मर गए, तुम भेजे थे जिसको
हाँ
कुछ नहीं कर पाया, वो तो मरा ही खुद, और वो भाई भी खुद को मार दिया। पूरा वेस्ट।
वही।
एक आदमी को मारने गया था और वो खुद भी मर के आया, वो भी जिसको मारने गया था उसको नहीं मार पाया। जीरो
If you remember, Otto was
जीरो
asking Aegon that what's your plan?
हाँ,
हाँ,
what
मतलब you
and
have
what
sent him
did
alone.
what did Sir Kristen Cole do? Alone? Alone. Oh,
He was so
Dhruva.
happy about it. Aegon was so happy.
हाँ,
That is the funniest part.
brilliant. भाई तुम लोग मूवी में नहीं देखता क्या? जुड़वा देखो, धूम 3 देखो, ये सब चीज
I
नहीं होता।
exactly.
It was so funny. I almost felt like Otto is chiding a little guy कि तू कर क्या रहा है भाई? तू चुप बैठ थोड़ी देर के लिए, तू बस चिल कर भाई अपने लाइफ में। तू कर क्या रहा है? It was so funny. So he goes like, what did Sir Kristen Cole do? Or like this, that poker face he made him not to be when he goes like, oh, he has sent his brother alone. Like,
और वो भी और
Good
वो भी
job.
बस वो ब्लेम को ये करने के लिए, उसका गिल्ट था। वो पूछा ना कि भाई तू क्या कर रहा था जब तेरे को गार्ड वार्ड करना, तू कर क्या रहा था भाई? तो बोला
हाँ.
अब बता तो नहीं सकते जो कुछ करते हैं, अब तो क्या कर रहे थे, आई कैन नॉट टेल।
What? No, actually, he's also at fault, na, because he wasn't
हाँ,
at his post at that point of time. He was somewhere
he
else,
he was inside
gallivanting around.
he was inside। कुछ तो पोस्ट कहाँ चेंज हुआ? बस 10 सेंटीमीटर अंदर, मतलब 10 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब वो उसको बाहर, दरवाजे के बाहर आना था, वो अंदर चला गया। That's it। कुछ नहीं गलत।
Oh
He's
God.
not, he's a cutie। उसको से blame मत करो भाई, ज्यादा गलती नहीं था उसका। वो तो बस उसको बाहर गार्ड करना था,
I'm gonna.
गार्ड कर रहा था, और कुछ काम ही नहीं है करके उनको।
Oh God, this is so funny. So my key takeaway, I was telling you, Sudeep, from the last episode, Amit said it is Westeros splits.
New tagline for this
Actually,
podcast: Westeros splits will a question mark.
Is it so?
Nice.
And
Chalo.
today's key
Good
takeaway
conclusion.
is Sir Kristen Cole. Yeah. True.
Yeah.
God.
I think I should make a reel of the Kristen Cole stuff that we spoke about. Especially the intro. That was a film part. All right.
Nice.
Awesome. Lovely talking. Have a great
Thank
time,
you.
Amit, over
Yeah.
there. And let us circle back with the third episode. And we'll circle back with
Yes.
the third episode of Not Live from Westeros. This is Sudeep, Arunima, and Amit signing off. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.